Okay, we are leaving Pheriche, 14,200 feet, heading up the valley. We'll go to Lobuche tonight. We'll stop by, have lunch along the way, and then make our way up the hill to the memorial chortens for the climbers that have been killed on Mount Everest and the surrounding mountains. But we had a lovely 2-night stay here in Pheriche. We can start to see some of the mountains. It's been quite cloudy for us. We haven't had a lot of great views of the super high mountains. So we're gonna see how that goes, you know. There's no guarantees. But it has been cloudy for a few days up high. We've had great weather. It's been nice for us. We took the day yesterday in Pheriche and did our typical acclimatization hike up to the Chortens on the ridgeline, looked into Lobuche. They came down, had lunch. After lunch, we always do some training with the local team, some gamma bag training, make sure our equipment works well. And we never really have to use, fingers crossed, the gamma bag, but it's a super important piece of medical equipment for us on worldwide trekking to bring, and when we get to 14,000 and up, we have the gamma bag, hyperbaric chamber. And if anybody falls sick, we put them in that bag, we pump it up, pressurize it, and they go from 14,000 feet down to like 9. It's like going all the way to Lukla, and descending. If you've got medical problems, AMS or any of the medical related issues, would help tremendously. We take a really good program here and take our time. Double day in Lobuche, double day here in Pheriche, which usually does the trick. Some helicopters landing right now in Pheriche. The HRA medical aid post is here too. The Human Outreach Project, our nonprofit, rebuilt and built a new lecture hall this last year. So we attended the medical lecture in our newly constructed medical lecture hall, and we'll be putting in an entire new medical aid post here over the course of the next couple years or so. So that's really exciting. They need it. The building that's been there has been there since the early 70s. It was used as a research center, then turned over to the HRA, and it's in need of improvement. So the helicopters are landing right now because they can't get through the cloud bank up into Everest Base Camp, I don't think. So they're landing right here right now. But we've got a lovely day for hiking, making our way up the valley. Should be really good. And we had a really nice time yesterday. The group's doing well. They all have their struggles, which is part of the deal. Nothing comes easy, but nonetheless, they're bonding well. For me, it's great to see these groups of strangers become new friends and bond over the course of the trek. And all in all, everybody's doing very well. I do a medical check on them every morning, check their pulse ox, saturation, their temperature, make sure they're healthy, check and see how they're feeling in general, if they've got any aches and pains, if they're eating, sleeping, going to the bathroom normally, and that just helps us keep on track so we can make sure we attend to any specific needs of the individuals in the group. But we're gonna make our way up. Hopefully we'll get some views of the mountains here, the high mountains, but really next couple days we'll see what Mother Nature gives us, and we'll take what she does. It's beautiful. It's been quiet on the trek, not too busy with people, other groups, a couple here and there, but nothing major. And we're having a fantastic time on our trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. Okay, we are making our way up the valley above Pheriche. You can probably see Pheriche down here. And you can see Amana Blam out here. So we're getting some good views of the higher mountains as the clouds kind of scatter a bit. Group's doing good. Usually they kind of dragging ass a little bit on this day. Coming up from 14 to 15, 16,000 feet. You know, but everybody's doing well. But kind of moving slow and steady, which is the idea. Get Amana Blam up here. I think it's up there. Yeah, beautiful. Pheriche down below. Got some helicopter traffic flying overhead. They are, you know, have a break in the weather, so they're able to go back and forth to base camp. But we're doing well on our trek up to Lobuche. We just came up the valley from Pheriche up the big U-shaped glacier carved valley from Pheriche up the hill. Now we're right at the toe of the cutout from the Khumbu Glacier. We're gonna cross at Dugla, where we'll go over and have lunch. Then after lunch, we'll continue up the hill over here to the top where the memorial chortens are. Kind of hard to see maybe from this angle, but we had some clear views of Amana Blam, which was nice on the way up the valley. Group's doing good. They always are a little bit sluggish coming out from 14,000 up this climb, but slow and low. Slow is the way to go. Enjoy the journey. Slow is fast. Put it in that gear and just kind of mosey along and stop for lunch. We'll take a nice break here. After lunch, we'll continue up the hill for a little push up to the Chortens, just about 16,000 feet there. And then we'll just go a couple hundred vertical and a couple miles on into Lobuche. So it's a really nice day. The weather's, looks like it's breaking up a little bit, which would be nice. We have some clear weather the next couple days. It's been kind of cloudy. Haven't had very good views. Really hardly any views of Mount Everest so far. So we're waiting for the money shot, and that will be in the couple days to come, where we get up in position there. And we're getting there, so hopefully, you know, the mountain gods give us some clear views and some good, you know, weather to see Everest, Lobuche right above us here, Pumori, Nuptse, and the surrounding mountains up high. One day at a time. We'll see how it goes. Okay, we are just making our way into Lobuche village. You can see behind me here the tea house is. Up over here you see all the wall of the glacial moraine in the distance. And good hike today. Clouds are still blocking our views of the high mountains, but great hike, nice weather, not too much wind in the big valley, which sometimes we see. Hiking from Pheriche up to Dugla, had lunch there, and then from there up to the memorial Chortens, and now up into Lobuche. So we're at 16,200 feet. Group's doing great. Everybody kind of is feeling that they worked for it at this point, which is great. We'll get some rest. It's early afternoon, and tomorrow we'll be making our way up to Gorikshep and deciding how we're gonna execute the next couple days. But things are good. Spirits are high in the Himalaya, and we'll go have a good night in Lobuche.